Welcome. What is PUPSIT, that is PUPSIT, or pre-use post-sterilization integrity testing? According to EU GMP Annex I, PUPSIT is integrity testing of the sterilizing filter after sterilization and before use. Its purpose is to confirm that the filter was not damaged by sterilization, handling, or assembly before filtration starts. Very important question. What is statement given in EU GMP Annex I for PUPSIT? The sterile filtration should be performed via a filter that has an appropriate microorganism retention. The integrity of the sterilized filter should be verified before use, that is pre-use post-sterilization integrity test or PUPSIT, and confirmed as integral after use. This makes PUPSIT mandatory for sterile filtration of products that cannot be terminally sterilized. What is purpose of PUBSIT? Annex 1 highlights that PUBSIT help detect damage that may have occurred during sterilization, handling, or assembly. This means PUBSIT specifically checks if the filter was cracked, membrane was damaged, or seal or housing was compromised. When PUBSIT may be avoided, EU Annex 1 allows avoiding PUBSIT only if fully justified. There may be cases where performing the test post sterilization but prior to use is not possible. However, this should be exceptional and appropriate control measures must be implemented. So, the default expectation is PUBSIT must be done unless it's technically impossible. The manufacturer provides strong justification or additional controls are implemented. Few examples of the additional controls mentioned in Annex 1 are integrity testing of filter before sterilization, use of pre-sterilized filters, increased in-process controls, patient hold testing, and pre-use flushing or wetting checks. Summarize PUBSIT requirement as per UGMP Annex 1 in pharmaceutical industry. Is PUBSIT mandatory? The answer is yes, unless strong justification is provided. What is purpose? Purpose is to detect filter damage post sterilization and before filtration. When may it be skipped? Only in exceptional cases with documented justification plus extra controls. Is post-use integrity testing also required? The right answer is yes. Both PUBSIT and post-use tests are required. Why PUBSIT? It is a critical sterility assurance step.